Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Redmi 12 and guys, and this is a new budget phone from Redmi, and this phone is costing around 42,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. In this price range we have 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the sky blue color. This phone also available in the silver color. So as you can see, here is the back of the Redmi 12 looks like, as well as the front. So on this side we have some more specification about the phone. So this phone has a glass back design. On the front we have 6.7-inch 90Hz Full HD Plus display. Also we have 50 megapixel AI triple cameras on the back. We also have 5000 mAh battery size on this phone. On the back we have nothing. So now let's quickly unbox the Redmi 12. And first let me remove the plastic. And now let's open this box. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88. So on the top we are getting our device, Redmi 12 in the sky blue color. These are the main highlighting feature of the Redmi 12. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. And guys, here is the sky blue color looks like. I gotta say this phone looks really nice, although we have a glossy finish on the back. And the back is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. We have completely flat frame. We have fingerprint scanner inside the power button. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have a screen protector which is already installed on the front. So Mi logo is here. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. And the first thing, we are getting this mini box. Here is our SIM ejection tool, and inside there, here is the quick start guide, warranty card. Also we get a soft silicone case. As you can see on the back we have a matte finish, and here is our charger. Now let's see the charger. And guys, and this is a 22.5 watt adapter, but this phone support maximum 18 watt fast charger. And this is a USB type C to USB A cable. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Redmi 12. And now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have our USB-C with a main speaker and a main microphone. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot, and this phone also has a IP53 water and dust resistance rating. So you can see we are getting a hybrid SIM slot with this phone, so you can use one micro SD card or a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. On the top we have our headphone jack with a IR blaster. I don't see a noise cancellation microphone. So volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. It is on the right hand side. On the back we have a triple cameras. On the back we have 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. Again, the back it is made up of plastic, and I am really liking this blue color on this phone. And the camera layout, it is very similar to the Redmi Note 12 Pro. So on the front we have 6.7-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Also on the top we have a center punch hole, and the bottom chin it is also really average on this phone. And the display, as you can see, not looks really nice as far as the viewing angles are concerned. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Redmi 12. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. So now let's see the max brightness. So here is the max brightness looks like, and the display I would say it is okay, but you can see as far as the viewing angles are concerned, it is not that great in my opinion. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's see the Android version on this phone. About phone, so this phone is running on Android 13 with a MIUI version 14. Also we have 128GB of internal storage, and out of 99GB it is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. So you can see in the fingerprint scanner it is also works okay, I would say, not the fastest. You can see we have 90Hz refresh rate. On default it is on recommended mode, but now let's go 90Hz all the time. And the MediaTek Helio G88 can handle the 90Hz very well. So now let's look at the camera. And this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. So here is the camera UI looks like. We have a new camera UI, I would say. So here is your normal, and here is your ultra wide. Ultra wide also looks really nice, especially the colors. So let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps. Here is our portrait mode, night mode, which is only available with the main lens. Here is our 50 megapixel mode, and we don't have a slow motion on this phone, which is a really disappointing. And also look at the front facing camera. This phone only has a 8 megapixel selfie camera, as you can see. So here is the selfie camera looks like, and the selfie camera, it is really bad on this phone. I did not expect that. Also the display in the front camera also shoot Full HD at 30 fps, and here is the time lapse. Here is the portrait mode, night mode, not available with the front facing camera. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18-watt fast charging, and the cameras as well as the display, it is not that great on this phone. I would say that the Tecno Spark 10 Pro is a better phone. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi 12. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.